Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a swimming instructor and you're looking for an affordable professional way to advertise your services, you're looking for an affordable website, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your swimming instructor business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. We've currently got over 900 of them. So let's go ahead and search for our market, swimming instructor. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell multi-site a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operational from. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a simple website with the information you've just put in. All you need to do is put in a few basic details and it will literally generate a whole website for you. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead and make my way to the top, click on the first section and give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. So let's get started. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address so it's visible on my website. Let's go ahead and tick that box so customers can easily reach out. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And our physical location, our street address, if you have one, put it in. Maybe you operate from like a public pool or something along those lines. But if you've got an address, put it in. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section, click on update logo. Let's go ahead and upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, make any minor edits to it. Otherwise, click on save here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just scroll through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, click on update section directly underneath it, that little button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. If you have an Instagram profile, you can literally click on connect your Instagram account, connect it with a click of a button and automatically pull in all those photos from your profile as well. And update action, we have the call to action buttons, change the text on the button over here, as well as where the button's linked to. You can even upload a PDF file if you want to, maybe to provide your customers with a little bit more details of your services and the various rates. Maybe you have different packages available on your swimming instruction lessons. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here. Keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow connect your domain button. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want your website to look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Marty Sites platform for your swimming instruction business. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.